Hey guys, I'm Miles, and today we're gonna get exotic on finish and close. If you're wondering about the state of my hair, I can't blame you. But as I see it, if you can't handle me at my worst, then you definitely do not deserve me at my best. And ladies and gentlemen, we might be very well achieving that today. We are about to embark on something of a spectacle. It is some next level stuff. Something wondrous. And by that, I mean this. That's right, a mullet. I wanted to make a more lighthearted video, and I think cutting my own hair would fit that very perfectly. So, with that being said, let's take a look at the tools for the day. But first, let's wash up. I'm going to put my hair up in a tie. I personally want to keep all the length on top so that someone, that knows how to cut it can do it. I'm going to part my hair with this brush. I got a mirror over here. I'll make my part. Give myself a nice ponytail. Ow. We have our Oster Model 10. Compact housing for easy maneuverability. I have to plug it in actually. So you can remove this while it's going. It scares me though. Anyways. Our clipper guards. They go from 1/16 to 1 1/4 inch. You'll probably need a brush and a comb. And then I forgot my thinning shears. So let me go get those. I have my thinning shears. One end is like just the blade and the other one has jagged little teeth, so it's not cutting all of your hair, but just some of it. And then you got your styling scissors right here. Viewer discretion advised. You can cut yourself. I will not be using the styling scissors. And I nicked myself. We're gonna forgo that today and get into it. From what I know, I'm going to try to taper the sides from the front to the back. I'm going to start with a number 4 guard. Just put on the guard back to front. I haven't cut my hair in a long time. So I'm going to start with a number 4 guard. I'm going to be using the comb to brush my longer hairs onto the blade. I'm just going to be creating the initial shape, and I will try to use a flicking motion as I get towards the top. Switch to a 3 guard, and then I'm not going to go up as high. So it kind of gradually, gets longer as you go up. And I'm going to repeat that with my 2 guard. I have to push the longer hairs down onto the blade like that, alright? It's a lot of hair. Oh, jeez. Alright, we're going to keep going though. I'm only going to cut as far back as my ear right here. That on both sides. We're going to be very careful using our thinning shears and go about halfway into our hair like that. Probably draw my hair off a little bit more. You're only going to go about halfway. You're going to take some of the weight off because I have that heavy hair. This works great for someone that has very thick hair. You don't want to go too far down right at your scalp right here. You don't want to do that. You'll just be thinning your hair out down there. It'll look like you're balding. Not that there's anything wrong with it. Stay at the top half of your hair, shearing that so that you get that effect of a light and wispy hair. Okay. Oh gosh, here we go. I'm gonna go wash off, shave, and we'll get a look at the final product. Cleaned up pretty nice, right? After seeing myself in the mirror, I felt compelled to say this. Tell all the hunters to lay down their guns. Tell them that the tiger needs a little bit of love. Let them run the jungle. Let them roam their land. Then stand back and marvel. What a beautiful cat. 'Cause I saw a tiger, now I understand. Oh, I saw a tiger, and the tiger saw man. I can give him a home, safe and warm. But the law wants to ban me. Can you tell me who's wrong? Every time they move, every time they breathe, I can feel their power, I can feel their beast. 'Cause I saw a tiger, now I understand. I saw a tiger, and the tiger saw man. Well, I saw a tiger, now I understand. Well, I saw a tiger, and the tiger saw man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to expand your mind, your heart, and your wallet, please support the channel by subscribing for more content. Smash that like button and turn on the notification bell to watch when our next video is posted. As always, I'm Miles, and we'll catch you on the next one of Finish and Close.